So we had stopped there. We finished all our fun there. Now we are going ahead and continuing the trail. So far this has been an amazingly challenging trail, at the same time fun trail also. Challenging in the sense it was all incline, and that incline was really bad. When I'm saying really bad, I mean it, because it was mix of complete loose soil, not exactly sand but loose soil, and it was coupled with a rocky incline, so that was making it very, very difficult. But now this place is like decent. These are the kind of places we've normally been, but the climb was absolutely insane. It was just unreal. Only pray that we don't get elephants here. In that case, we'll have to just run from this place. So for us also it's the first time, we've never come here, so we just wanted to make sure we come check out the trail, do a recce, or it's always better to do a recce and then come back again. So yeah, so far so good. We're just having a good time. Okay, looks like there's a small river crossing. Oh, water crossing. Now there's no water. Inky Pinky Ponky, father had a donkey, father died, donkey cried, Inky Pinky Ponky. So we did a Inky Pinky Ponky. So yeah, this is the water body. Rainy season this can be like super flooded, and we took a Inky Pinky Ponky to take which route we are doing. There's 3 routes, so we took the extreme left one. And we don't know which route goes where and what they do. Oh, this is full of rocky ones. Oh man, crazy. Absolutely crazy. Oh. There's just trails and trails and trails and trails. Hey, wait. Bal. Stop it. Huh? Dude, it's just going on and on, bro. Huh? And. Idje poli, anta idje incline. Left open or right? Oh, finally we get an open space. So we thought we might have some continuation, but then this is the dead end. This is a super inclination and just keep continuing. Oh, wow, wow, man. Guys, check this out. We literally are on the top of one of the hills. You know, one of those ranges that you see. We are actually on the top of one of the ranges, and the trail out here is crazy. Just too good. Too good. So let's see what's there on the top. And the best part is the inclination. It has been continuous inclination all the while, and I don't know how much was it justified through GoPro, but then, man, wow, look at those mountain ranges. It's good to see, right? So we are in one of those ones. Beautiful. So we'll take a break now, and I'll come back and show you more. So now we are getting down, and if you remember, we did